What's going on, everybody? It's been quite a while since I posted a video. I posted a few in the apartment and was able to grow a little bit there, not a whole lot, but here we are. Now we live in a beautiful house on a half acre of land with a beautiful garden, and you know, I just kind of unplugged, spending time with the wife and the kids and just going camping and doing yard work and working on the house. It's an older home and we've been doing a lot of work to it. So I kind of unplugged from social media, you know, YouTube, all that, and I've just been enjoying life. But I was harvesting the pepper garden, and as you can see behind me, I got a bunch of it right there. And I was harvesting the pepper garden and just kind of realized how much I missed making YouTube videos. So I think I'm gonna start it back up. There's about 3/4 of the garden harvested. I'm gonna go out there here in just a little bit and harvest the rest of it. But just wanted to do a quick check-in. I'm still here, still alive, just enjoying time with my wife and kids. Doing, obviously, still gardening and just loving that. I'd like to start making these again. I really enjoyed YouTube when I was doing it, so I'd really like to get started back up. My wife tells me all the time that I need to start again, so I should probably start listening to her and get it going again. Right now the plants are absolutely crazy. I can hardly fit in between them. Tons of peppers. I think right there we have about 17 pounds of peppers. This is our second harvest of the year already. We've got probably 1 or 2 more before frost hits. Here at this house we have chickens. We tore down an old chicken coop, built a new chicken coop, built a chicken run. We've got goats. I'm a farmer now. Let's go outside now. Let's show you guys what the new garden's looking like. All right, I'm gonna make this video today pretty short. I have a lot of peppers still to pick and process. So here's the garden. Got the wife's tomatoes right here that just turned into a giant mess that we can't even get into anymore. But this is all peppers right there. We harvested pretty much everything from this side yesterday. There's still a couple Scotch bonnets here, but if you look at how many we still have left on there, it's pretty wild. Just one that's starting to ripen, but we didn't pick it yesterday. Tons of peppers. It's a little pepper forest. Today I've got to come over here and harvest some, got some Carolina Reapers, and these aren't ready, but we got some Primatalis. So here's the pepper garden for 2021. Huge, packed. And then I will show you guys what we did with the chickens. Okay, so chickens used to have this dingy little coop. Pretty rough. So we took them out of that. We built this chicken run. And then we took a lifetime shed, turned this into a chicken coop. Got their water right there, some nesting boxes. Oh, but they made their own nest, I guess. Tons of eggs right now. Roosting ladder. Got the birds. Got a couple ducks and a turkey in there as well. And then here's the goats. The loud one is Lola. Hi, Lola. That's Rick. Rick isn't very nice. Oh, Rick. Yeah. Rick and Lola. Come on, dude. And then one cool thing about us buying this house is that's my best friend's house right there. So it's been pretty great. This is what I've been busy working on, is this place. Come on, Rick. Rick, knock it off. There you go, buddy. Is that what you needed? Just some scritches. This garden is about 60 feet long and 20 feet wide, so quite a bit bigger than any garden I've ever had. We've got room to expand it if we want to. There's not much of a yard back here at the moment, so we've got plenty of room to do kind of whatever we want back here. I thought about doubling it next year, but I'm kind of rethinking it now that I've Been picking peppers for a day straight. All right, harvesting is done for now. Got about 28 pounds of peppers here. I'm gonna real quick go through and show you guys what we got over here. Got some fish peppers, and if you've never seen these, super cool stripes in them. The plants are variegated as well. Cow horn, just some chocolate bells, cayennes, anchos, tons of jalapenos, habaneros. I bought 2 infinity plants online and gave me 2 different colors of peppers. I'm pretty sure the red ones are the ones I was looking for. Jacques, ghost peppers, quite a few of these. Holy moly. Sugar Rush Peach, bunch of them aren't ripe. I had a branch fall off, so just picked up that branch and pulled the peppers off. Scotch bonnets, a ton of 7 pots. Bohemian Goat, white, and peach ghost, some serranos, pimento de padron. These ones are chocolate and red brain strains. Chocolate Butla, Dragon's Breath, 7-pot Primo Yellow. I've got 3 Carolina Reaper plants. One of them is giving me this, but the other ones are giving me some decent Reapers. Big Mustard Mama, Big Black Mama. This one actually turned out to be one of my favorites this year. Pretty crazy pots. I have about this many peppers still out there on the plants. They're just not ripe yet, so that'll be for another day. Definitely felt good making a video again, updating you guys. So keep an eye out, I'll be posting some more videos. And that's it for today.